Welcome to Planning for the Future, Special Needs Trust, ABLE accounts, and more, presented by Indiana Family to Family. Indiana Family to Family is the parent-to-parent organization and family-to-family health information center for the state of Indiana. These centers are statewide, family-led organizations that assist families of children and youth with diverse health and mental health needs, as well as the professionals who serve them. We provide one-on-one peer support, information, education, training, and outreach. The information in the following video is current as of April 2026. As with any resources or information, it's important you verify the information provided to ensure it meets the same needs as your family's respective situation. Future financial planning is a significant concern for many families. Many adults with disabilities can earn their own living. However, parents should take time to consider how they plan for their child's future financial needs and include their child as part of that process whenever possible. One resource to help parents start to plan and envision what the future may look like for their child is Charting the Life Course. This tool is intended to help persons of all abilities and ages create a vision for a good life, consider the resources they need and action steps they will take, identify how to find or develop supports, and discover how to live the lives they want. More information about Charting the Life Course can be found in our Life Course video, on our website at inf2f.org, or on our YouTube page. A few common ways that parents can plan for their child's financial needs include special needs trusts, Achieving a Better Life Experience ABLE account, and an Individual Development Account, or IDA. A special needs trust, also called a supplemental care trust, is a place to transfer savings, life insurance payouts, and other funds for a child or adult with additional health and education needs who depends on public programs such as SSI and Medicaid. A trust can hold funds for the individual without jeopardizing eligibility for these programs due to asset limits. To set up a special needs trust, individuals can consult with an elder law attorney or the ARC Master Trust. An elder law attorney can help with the process of understanding and opening a special needs trust. Some people may assume wealth is needed to set up a trust, but this is simply not true. In fact, a trust can be set up to hold future funds such as life insurance payouts after death without any funding at the time the trust begins. It can also be set up to start taking funds immediately, whether that comes from the individual, the parents, or from gifts, or even life insurance payouts from grandparents, other relatives, or even friends. Some money is typically needed to set up the trust for an attorney or related fees. The trust will need to specify a trustee, which can be a parent, sibling, or another individual or organization such as a bank. In the ARC Master Trust, the ARC will act as the trustee. The trustee's main job is to make sure the individual doesn't have too much money in a personal account that could jeopardize their benefits, and that any money intended for the trust is directed to the trust and not the individual. The trustee is also responsible for providing funds for the individual's needs from the trust, which typically can include goods and services not covered by government programs. The trustee will also be responsible for reporting to the Social Security Administration. Even birthday checks from grandma can add up over the years to put an individual at risk of being over asset limits for benefits. An attorney or trust representative should give language to share with family and friends to direct funds to the trust. Another common threat involves forgotten life insurance policies and wills. Be sure that any wills and life insurance policies name the beneficiary as the trust and not the individual. To learn more about the ARC Master Trust or to locate an elder law attorney, please visit the links to the websites on your screen, which are also found in the video caption. Millions of individuals with disabilities and their families depend on a wide variety of public benefits for income, health care, food and housing assistance, and these are just a few of these examples. Eligibility for these public benefits, such as SSI, SNAP, and Medicaid, often require meeting a means or resource test that limits how much money an individual can have in a typical savings or retirement account. The ABLE Act recognizes this extra and significant cost of living with a disability, which can include costs related to raising a child with significant disabilities or a working age adult with disabilities for accessible housing and transportation, personal assistance services, assistive technology, and health care not covered by insurance, Medicaid, or even Medicare. An ABLE account is yet another savings option for individuals with disabilities. An ABLE account allows certain individuals with disabilities and their families the opportunity to contribute to a tax-advantaged savings account that can be used for maintaining health, independence, and quality of life without affecting their eligibility for SSI, Medicaid, or other public benefits. Indiana's ABLE account program is Investable Indiana. To learn more, you can visit the website on the screen. We also house a fact sheet about ABLE accounts on our website at inf2f.org. An individual development account, or an IDA, is a special savings account to allow individuals to set aside funds over an approximately 3-year period. This is typically for a specific financial goal, such as buying a home, paying for education or training, or even starting or expanding a small business. Savings by the individual are matched by federal and state dollars. The goal of the IDA program is to help low-income individuals build wealth as a path out of poverty. An individual may be eligible for an IDA if they have an income less than 200% of the federal poverty level guidelines, as well as hold a job and earn income. Funds set aside in an IDA account usually do not count against the monthly earning limits of TANF and Social Security programs. The current match ratio is 1:3, with a total maximum match of $4,500 for a combined total savings of $6,000 in 3 years. For more information, you can call 1-800-872-0371 or visit the website on the screen. Planning for future financial stability of a person with a disability can be difficult, and determining the best plan often depends on individual circumstances. It may be helpful to consult a financial planner who specializes in estate planning services for individuals with disabilities, as well as additional healthcare needs. Indiana Family to Family does not provide legal, medical, or estate planning services, and we do not endorse any specific providers. We can, however, provide one-on-one peer support to help you understand your options. You can connect with us for peer support by filling out the form on the Connect page of our website at inf2f.org, calling us at 844-323-4636, or by sending us an email to info@inf2f.org.